This is how to integrate Jira with GitLab. From your Jira dashboard, go to Apps, explore more apps, search for GitLab, and choose Pricing. Select Free for all teams. And we will choose this GitLab for Jira Cloud. So just click this one and click Get It Now. Click Review and click Get It Now. And we have successfully installed GitLab for Jira Cloud. And let's click Get Started. And we will choose GitLab.com. Click Save. We will sign into GitLab. Authorize GitLab for Jira app. And we are now signed into GitLab. So let's go to GitLab. We will go to this profile, click Preferences, and click Applications. And we can see our GitLab for Jira has been listed under Authorized Applications. So this is how to integrate Jira with GitLab.